If your Remitly verification failed, don't worry. It usually comes down to a few common hiccups. Now, first, double check that your name, date of birth, and document number exactly match what's on your ID. Even a small typo can cause an instant rejection. Next, make sure your photos are crystal clear. Use good lighting, hold your phone steady, and capture the entire ID. No fingers covering text or edges cut off. If you're uploading a driver's license, snap both front and back. For passports, focus on the data page. If Emily still flags your document, try a different ID type of if available, passport versus national ID, or switch from the mobile app to the web version. Sometimes one process image is better than the other. Finally, if you have tried everything and verification still fails, contact Remedy support via the via the help section in the app. Send them a quick note explaining the issue and attach your photos again. They will usually review manually and approve you within 24 hours. If this helped you clear your verification roadblock, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick money saving hacks.